Hey there, my name is Mike, and I am a virtual consultant of Merehead Company. In this video, you will find out how to become a part of the new economy by creating a metaverse and integrating NFT and DeFi. Ready? Let's go then. Step 1. Searching and defining the goal. It is likened to launching any other IT product. Creating a metaverse and integrating NFT, DeFi, and other linked applications and protocols start with the idea. It requires a clear understanding of what kind of metaverse you want to develop, beginning with designing and integrating third-party applications and services. Many metaverse startups currently are gaming projects like Star Atlas, Gala Games, Gala, Decentraland, Mana, and the Sandbox, Sand, that employ pay-to-earn P2E monetization model on NFT. Meta, former Facebook, wants to create something global, a new internet. Websites and applications will be three-dimensional spaces, visualized via virtual and augmented reality, like 3D levels in video games. While launching your metaverse with NFT and DeFi integrations, you can go through one of these two options or create something new. Step 2. Searching for a development company. When you define the type of metaverse you require, you will need to find a development company that would be capable of implementing your idea. The technical partner must have successful experience developing projects in the niche you want to focus your metaverse on. If you're going to develop a gaming metaverse, you require a company that has launched several successful video games. If you're going to integrate NFT and DeFi into the metaverse, you will need a developer with experience launching blockchain projects on NFT and DeFi like Merehead. Step 3. Launching phase. The next step is for you and your chosen development company to decide on the economics of your future project, to analyze the market, the target audience, and the competitors. This is necessary to understand in advance the prospects of your project and how to implement NFT and DeFi, what these solutions should be. And if with NFT, everything is usually simple. You implement game characters, lands, and unique items in the form of NFT and allow players to trade these NFT on the open marketplace. Then, in the case of DeFi, there can be variations in terms of the approach to integration and what kind of DeFi services it should be. For example, DeFi integration into the meta universe can be implemented. By connecting external DeFi solutions, you can connect Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchains to the Polkadot ecosystem. In this case, you need to create some kind of application programming interface, API, bridge to integrate external DeFi into your meta universe. Running custom DeFi protocols in your meta universe ecosystem is similar to how smart contracts and dApps are implemented in the Ethereum blockchain. You need to create tools to develop and run custom DeFi inside your system. Only through the DeFi do you create. In other words, only the DeFi solutions you create yourself will be in your system. Step 4. Select the technological stack. Next, you need to decide on the tools to develop your metaverse. It's not just programming languages, databases, IDEs, SDKs, etc., but also a blockchain, game engine, and AI solutions. In addition, you can also think about using a specialized platform to run a meta universe, such as Facebook Meta, which can help save a lot of time and money. Indeed, today, all the meta platforms available on the market for launching meta events are in their early stages, so they have fundamental features and functions. The choice of blockchain, game engine, and other development tools depends on what kind of meta universe you want to create and on the preferences of the development company, their knowledge, skills, and experience. What's interesting about the Microsoft Metaverse is that it's largely modeled after the real world. There are no fantasy avatars. Leave them to Roblox or Fortnite or Second Life. It doesn't currently have NFT and DeFi, so Microsoft's technology stack isn't appropriate for our project. The technology stack used in blockchain startups, such as this one, is more suitable for this. But this list is not complete either. It doesn't have a game engine, the software tool that developers use to create and run video games. You can load 3D objects on these platforms, apply rules for moving these objects, create 3D spaces, add sounds, etc. Such an engine is needed to create virtual spaces in the meta universe. This kind of game engine can be created by yourself, long, expensive, and not always efficient. or you can use one of the open source game engines such as Unity, the most popular, or Unreal Engine, the most technologically advanced. In addition, you should not forget about other tools, artificial intelligence, cloud technologies, visualization tools, etc. Step 5. Develop a digital metaverse. Once you've decided on the concept of your platform, you can move on to the next step, creating a metaverse. A metaverse can be any virtual ecosystem that fits your idea. For example, suppose you create a platform for communication like a virtual social network. In that case, metaverse could include an app, a private room, a virtual conference room, private rooms, and other 3D spaces within which users will communicate. The development of game metaverses stands out because, unlike the same platforms for communication and social networks, a lot of time is spent on pre-production. It usually includes the following 3 stages. Idea development. This stage is a brainstorming session where the game concept is critiqued and developed. For example, you need to choose and create from scratch game mechanics, stylization of graphics, story, monetization model, etc. And the developers can create several concepts at once and even try to implement them at the following stages, and then decide on only one or make a symbiosis of the most successful ideas. Concept creation. At this stage, the development team polishes the concept of the future game and collects game design documentation, pitch document, or concept document. Here they provide a brief but sufficiently capacious description of the project, from mechanics to marketing. Prototyping. The team checks game design ideas and hypotheses, implementing them in small, simple prototypes. Elementary game levels are created where game mechanics can be tested. And these stages do not always alternate linearly. Everything happens in parallel. Many developments, which took a lot of time and resources, are discarded and forgotten. It's also widespread for game developers to start over 5 or sometimes 50 times until they find a genuine game concept. Step 6. Creating a layer of meta-universe interaction. The next step in developing a meta-universe is to create a layer of user interaction. User controls, navigation controls, access criteria, and communication protocols must be defined in this step. The interaction layer is also responsible for integrating third-party tools and interacting with the Metaverse platform. Step 7. Testing of the developed product. Almost as soon as the development process starts, QA experts work. They test the code for bugs and errors and the system's usability, functionality, load, and stability. Additionally, testing of smart contracts and DeFi is performed internally by the development team, and with the help of independent external auditors such as TechRate and CertiK teams. Step 8. Deployment and release. The created meta-universe is deployed in the cloud or local servers when the software product is completed and thoroughly tested. If your platform has mobile apps, they are added to the App Store, Google Play, Microsoft Store, Amazon App Store, etc. In addition, you also need to add your native token to the listings of cryptocurrency exchanges and make the first NFT seals on your own and external marketplaces. Step 9. Product support. Creating a meta-universe with NFT and DeFi integration doesn't end after release. Usually, developers need more time to find and fix bugs, improve user experience, and add missing features. In addition, they also need to train the customer staff, organize the internal support service, and establish the process of collecting feedback from users. So, metaverses are not just a new trend or an improvement for existing technologies. This paradigm will dramatically change the internet and how we interact with the content in the next 5 or 10 years. Suppose you intend to become a part of the internet of the future. In that case, you should consider developing your metaverse, application, or technology that the users or developer would find a use for. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and like this video. Have a good day with Merehead.